A very good morning to one and all, and on behalf of the entire prep staff, I, Garima Shukla, welcome you all for the talent show. And in this talent show today, we are going to have show and tell competition. And I would really extend my warm welcome to our very dynamic principal come director, Mrs. Manju Rana. She always guides us, support us in all the endeavors. And though she has such a busy and hectic schedule, but every time she takes out time to be amongst the kids. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Pleasure is all mine. It's so lovely to see children. Uh,
Thank you, ma'am. And I also extend my warm welcome to the pre-primary coordinator, Mrs. Kabila Rawat. She always inspires us, motivates us to do something innovative, something new. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you
And,
very much.
and I would also like to extend my heartiest welcome to the judge of the event, Ms. Deepthi Priyadarshi. She is working as a coding instructor in White Hat Junior. She teaches programming to students from classes 7 to class 12. And apart from this, she is BTech in computer science. And the most important thing is that she loves to be with the children. And that's the reason she's here today. Most
Thank you
welcome.
so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. It's
And
lovely to be among these kids.
okay, thank you so much. And the second judge of today's event is Kabila ma'am. Kabila ma'am, you will be the second judge, and I'm really excited that what all the kids are going to present today. And here I would like to say that in today's event, our main heroes are our students. And the journey with the students till date has been very exciting, very amazing. And together we have put our best efforts to find out the hidden qualities of each and every student. And it is very important to boost up the confidence level of the students so that the issues like the stage fear or the command over the language gets totally eradicated even at the very first stage of their life. So, without wasting much time, let us begin and unfold the various characters. And I hope that you all will enjoy this beautiful morning with our little angels who are going to spread their magical touch by displaying their talent. So, first participant is, I'll just brief a small little introduction. Freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our hearts, memories in our soul. With this thought in mind comes the young patriot Nayan Sharma. Over to you, Nayan.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Nayan Sharma. Today I am going to talk about our national flag. Our national flag has three colors: saffron, white, and green. Saffron is for courage, white is for peace, green is for growth. Our national flag has Ashoka Chakra in the middle. It has 24 spokes. It stands for hours in a day and principles of life. When national flag is hoisted, we stand in attention position and sing national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Jai Hind. Have a nice day.
Very good, Nayan. It was really very nice. Jai Hind. Yes, we all love India and love to be an Indian. Now, moving on to the next, girls, or rather, I should say, all the children, they love to play in their own imaginary world. They have their own fantasy world, their own imagination. They have very creative. And this, in this imaginary world of children, always reflect a positive creativity. And so please welcome Sanchita Singh, whose world also revolves around a beautiful doll. So please give a huge round of applause and welcome Sanchita.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanchita Singh. Today I'm here to show my favorite doll. But itches. Where itches? Can you see her? Here she is. So playing hide and seek with me. She loves to play hide and seek. Her name is Piku. Piku. Hi. She's wearing a pink frock and a pink cap. Pink is also my favorite color. She has long legs and pink shoes. She has golden and curly hair. Her eyes are blue and cheeks are very soft and chewy. She does not eat junk food. She only eats healthy food like eggs, fruits, vegetables, milk. She wakes up early in the morning and yoga with me. She's my favorite dog. You know why? Because it was my birthday gift from my mother. Now it's time for my dog to have breakfast. Cook, say bye bye. Bye. Take care. Stay healthy. Thank you.
Very good, Sanchita. You have a lovely doll, Piku, Pinku. Okay, now moving on to the next. The safety as well as the smooth flow of the traffic on our roads is very important. And we need to follow the traffic rules, the traffic lights, the signals. So now comes Shivanshi Singh, who will brief us that the safe flow of the traffic is very important. So over to Shivanshi Singh.
Good morning, teacher and my dear friends. My name is Shivanshi Singh. I study in class Prep 1. Today I will tell you about traffic lights. Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop right away. Yellow light, what do you mean? I say wait till the light turns green. Green light, what do you say? I say go right away. Please follow the traffic rules and stay safe. Thank you.
Yes, we should all follow the traffic rules. Okay, the next is when we read the name dinosaur, immediately we visualize a huge animal, a huge reptile. So let's enter into the Jurassic Park of the dinosaur. And do you know who is going to take us to the Jurassic Park? None other than Sayuri Sabharwal. Okay, Sayuri.
Oh, hi there. Good morning, everyone. I'm Sayuri Sabharwal from St. Anandram Jepuria School. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite dinosaur. It is Brachiosaurus. But you know what I call him? I call him Bhindi because he is green in color. You know, Brachiosaurus used to live on this earth 150 million years ago. He was the biggest dinosaur and he had a long neck, just like the giraffe. But his neck was 9 meters long. His long neck helped him to eat leaves from the top of the tree. Yummy! He was a vegetarian, just like me. But he had a huge appetite. He used to eat 400 kilograms of plants every day. I wish I could meet Bhindi in real life. Alas, it got extinct. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Sanchita. It was really nice to meet your Bhindi. Bhindi, but we don't want to meet your Bhindi in this life. It will be really scary. Okay, now moving on to the next. Solar system always fascinates kids. They always wonder, they're always curious, but in between, before we move on to the solar system, we move on to another reptile. This is also a reptile and you have to guess, मैं किसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ? This reptile changes its color according to the habitat, or you can say to regulate its body temperature, it changes its color. Tell me, any guesses? Do you have any guess? मैं किसकी बात कर रही हूँ? I know you all must be aware, and I'm talking about chameleon. So now comes Nirvani Rajput, who is going to explain the amazing and interesting facts of chameleon. Over to Nirvani Rajput.
A very pleasant good morning to everyone present here. I'm Nirvani Rajput. I welcome you all in my talk show. Today I'm going to talk about chameleons. In Hindi we call it gheghe. Do you want to know more about it? I know. So let's begin. Number 1. The chameleon is a lizard-like.
Nirvani, loud.
Is capable of changing its color based on its surroundings. Number 2. The chameleons are of different types and are found in rainforest and deserts. Number 3. The chameleon's eyes move independent of each other, which helps it to stay alert. Number 4. The chameleon has a long, sticky tongue, which is almost twice the length of its body. And you know what? The chameleon catches its prey with this long, sticky tongue. I hope you have enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Nirvani. Thank you for telling us such amazing facts about the chameleon. Now moving on to the solar system. If I talk about solar system, it always fascinates kids. There's always a question mark. They always are very curious. Where does sun go in the evening? Or where is the home of the moon? Why stars don't twinkle during the daytime? They always have thousands and thousands of questions related to the solar system. So now comes Dakshish Pandey, who will tell us some amazing, some nice facts about the solar system, about the 8 planets, and about so many things. So let's move on to Dakshish Pandey. Yes, Dakshish, start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is astronaut Dakshish Pandey. Today, I'm going to tell about solar system. Let's take a ride to space. Zoom in. This is our solar system. There are 8 planets and the sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Moon. Sun is a big ball of fire. My God, Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. And smallest planet in the solar system, Venus. Venus is the hottest planet and brightest planet. Earth. Earth is my favorite planet. And important and trees and life. And all live in Earth. Earth is a beautiful planet. Mars. Mars is a red planet and red soil. Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet and gas giant. Saturn. Saturn has beautiful ice and dust. It is made up of ice and dust. Uranus. Uranus, sleepy planet and coldest planet. Neptune. Neptune is half-tired. Now I'm so tired. Let's back to zooming out. Zoom. Zooming out. Thank you.
Thank you, astronaut Dakshish. That was really very nice. And don't worry. Okay, moving on to the next, yoga. Yoga humse bhi hoga. Yes, this should be the motto. Like yoga is not only important for the elders, but it is also important for the young ones, the small little children, because it not only improves your concentration, your memory skill, your brain power, your posture, but it also improves your academic performance. So yoga, the list is really very big because yoga has number of benefits. So without wasting time, let's hear through Prashasti. Over to you, Prashasti.
Good morning, all. My name is Prashasti Bansal. Today I will show you yoga code and tell you about their benefits.
My first yoga pose is Tadasana. This helps in increasing height. My second pose is Butterfly Asana. This helps in digestion. My third yoga pose is Dhanurasana. This helps in cutting belly fat. My fourth yoga pose is Surya Namaskar. This helps in keeping us healthy and fit. My last yoga pose is Savasana. This helps in relaxing our body. I do these yoga every day. You can also do these yoga every day. Thank you.
Thank you, Prashasti. Yes, we all should do yoga every day to have a flexible body like yours. Okay, the next is school. She's speaking on school. The moment we hear the word school, we all feel to rush and run and go back to our school. A place where we learn, we study, we write, we read, we explore so many things. And most important thing, we make friends. School is not just a structure where you go and sit, but it is the place where you build your future, where you dream high. This is what school is all about. So Mishti also loves her school, and she wants to share why she loves her school. So over to you, Mishti.
Hello everyone, my name is Mishti. Today I am going to tell you about my school. My school name is Sheikh Anandram Jaipuria School. It is in Vasundhara, Ghaziabad. My school has a big campus, spacious classrooms, well-equipped labs, a big library and activity rooms. My school got many playgrounds and splash pool also. Our principal ma'am, Mrs. Manjurana, has been awarded with National Teachers Award. All the teachers in my school are highly qualified, affectionate and affectionate. My school motto is empower, enthuse and excel. I miss my school in these days very much. We say thank you, we say please, we don't interrupt or tease. We share our toys, we take our turn, good manners in Jaipuria School. That's what we learned. Thank you.
Thank you, Mishti. Even we all are missing school. And now moving on to the next. The best gift we can give to the coming generation is water. So save water because every drop counts and it's a priceless gift of the nature. So let's listen to the little champ Gyan Shukpal, who wants to spread a beautiful message that we need to save water for these little children. Over to you, Gyan.
Save water. Do you know who am I? Yes, I am a water. I am precious gift of God. Imagine your life without me impossible. You use me to drink. You use me to wash clothes. You use me to cook and so many things. So please, we are small children, save water and save life for us. Don't waste water because blue planet will be not blue planet without water. Water drops are falling down, falling down, falling down. Water drops are falling down. All will.
Thank you, Gyan. Thank you so much that we know that we all should save water so that our blue planet remains the blue planet. Thank you so much. It was a lovely performance given by everyone and you spoke very well with full confidence. And now I would invite our principal ma'am to please motivate our kids. Please say a few words. Vijay sir, principal ma'am.
Very, very pleasant. Good morning. And it was really, really nice to hear, Garima, all these children. And even in these times when they are at home, I could see the enthusiasm that they all had.
Yes.
And I think I need to thank all the parents, for making sure, because there has been a role reversal. Parents are playing an important role of a mentor at home. So thank you so much for preparing children so very well, and Kabila and Garima for putting it all together. I think we should have more of such activities. It gives a lot of opportunity to the children to do what they actually enjoy doing the most, apart from just taking classes. So बहुत अच्छा बेटा आप लोगों ने सबने, I think everyone was so amazing, starting with the flag and working in kitchen and yoga. So I think a huge variety I could see. So lots of love and a big hug, and love you all, and we all miss you and wish we could see you in school soon. So take good care of yourself, and thank you, the organizers of Class Prep, Shalini, everybody for making it happen. God bless you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your utmost love and affection. And we are so grateful to have you as a principal. I would also love to thank Deepti ma'am, as she was a judge, Kabila ma'am, and Shalini for always helping us, always boosting us that do this, do that. And I really heartful thank to all the participants for giving up.
Yeah, and a special thank to our judge, one of our parent judge also, for having spared time, and I'm sure she must have had a lovely time seeing all the children performing so confidently. They're very, very young children, but the confidence level that they had and exhibited today was really worth the praise. So thank you to our parent judge also.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anvita.
Ma'am, it's Deepti actually. Anvita is my daughter.
She has logged in with her name.
All right. So thank you, Anvita's mom.
Yes, ma'am. Perfect. Now it's going to be really tough for me to pick one.
I know.
Everybody was so amazing.
I never judge, Deepti. I never. They always ask me to judge an event. I always say, for me, all the children are, they perform so well, and it's a very difficult task to be a judge and to choose which is the best. So, so I always escape myself. I say, thank you so much. I would like to be just like a participant. I would like to see children perform, enjoy that moment, and no judgment. So I can understand you have a tough job to do.
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
You and Kabila will manage it well.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sparing your valuable.
All right, thank you. Can I leave?
It was really motivating.
No, not at all.
Thank you so much. And thank you, Deepti ma'am. Thank you very much. We're glad that you joined us today. And a big thank you to Garima and Shalini as well for putting everything.
Yeah, Shalini's been chasing me since yesterday. I had to come, which I had to, and anyways, but she didn't make me breathe even at night and in the morning. Ma'am, are you coming? What time are you joining? So thank you, Shalini, for really pushing me, though I was in the middle of a lot of work at school.
Ma'am, without you,
I thoroughly enjoyed mine. It was a lovely morning.
That's True. And a big thank you to all the parents for preparing their children so well, putting in so much of effort and hard work.
Yeah.
And a big round of applause for all our star performers of the day. Wonderful.
Very nice.
Beautifully presented. Very good.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So we all can, it's over. So we have to rush back to our classes. Okay, Shalini ma'am, would you like to say something? Shalini is there?
Yeah, Garima.
Yeah, you want to say something?
No, but thank you so much for organizing things, Garima. And love you all. बच्चास मेरे बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया सबने.
Very nice,
And
very nice.
first, second, third कोई भी आए, you all are winners.
Yes.
है ना? So keep it up. Now get back to your classes from 9 o'clock, 9:15. We'll meet in the class. Okay? Now you all can leave, beta.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kabila ma'am.
Thank you, Vijay sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, teachers.
Love you, love you.
Bye-bye, kids.
Okay, bye.
How important trees are in our lives.
Good morning, good morning, teachers, Judge ma'am, and my dear friends. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I am Vihan from Seth Handanram Japuria School. I am going to show and tell about trees. Trees are most precious part of our life. Trees are the major part of the ecosystem. Trees are living things. I want to show you the part of the tree. These are the roots of the tree. They absorb water. This is the trunk of the tree. We get wood from it. These are the branches of the tree. We get paper, rubber and medicine from it. These are the leaves of the tree. Trees absorb sunlight to grow. We put fertilizer for healthy growth of tree. Trees give us oxygen to breathe. Trees also give us fruits and vegetables to eat. Trees give habitat to birds, shelter to animals. We should not cut trees. We should plant more and more trees. As the coronavirus is going on, the doctor says we should check our oxygen level regularly. I have many plants at home. This is snake plant, this is money plant. I love watering them. It is not a slogan. It is my quest to grow more trees. Please grow more trees. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.
Very nice. Very nice report, well spoken. And I think
Ma'am, it's Vihan.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Tashuvaran. Friends, do you know what I'm today? Yes, I am water. Water is colorless, water is shapeless, water is tasteless, water is odorless. Friend, water has three forms: solid, ice, liquid water and gas water vapor. Friends, 71% of the earth is water, but 2-3% is fresh water. Water is the essential element for all human beings, plants and animals. We should not waste water, we should save water. Save water every day, every day, every day. Save water every day. Please don't mistake. Turn it off and not in use, not in use, not in use. Turn it off and not in use. Please don't mistake. Short shower, save water, save water, save water. Short shower, save water. Please don't mistake. Save water, save that. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. My name is Bhavta Rathod. I'm here to tell you about waste segregation. Waste segregation means dividing waste into dry and wet waste. This green dustbin is for wet waste and this blue dustbin is for dry waste. In green dustbin, you should throw
kitchen waste, food waste, and garden waste, which can be composted. In the dustbin, you should throw plastic, metal, paper, and glass, which can be recycled. This will reduce the waste in landfill sites, so all we do with segregation to save our earth. Thank you and have a clean environment. Bye.
Hi everybody, my name is Riya Sun. I'm in a class. My topic is the solar system. The solar system consists of sun and all other planets that travel around the sun. The sun is orbited by planets. It's called a comet. There are 8 planets. Number 1, Mercury, which is very smallest planet, very hot and closest to the sun. Number 2, Venus, it is very brightest planet. Number 3, Earth, it is very closest to the sun. It is light blue color. It's very circle shape. Number 4, Mars, it is red planet. Number 5, Jupiter, it is big and largest planet. Number 6, Saturn, it is a ring around it. It's in yellow color. Number 7, Uranus, it is very cold and cloudy. Number 8, Neptune, it is farthest planet, very light blue color. Number 9, Pluto, it is very non-solar system, very dark planet. Thank you everyone.
Compound, here comes the school bus. Good morning everyone. My name is Marshall. I am missing my school every day and also my school bus. So I made a school bus with my mother's help. So today I will tell you some safety rules that we should follow while traveling by a bus. We should stand in line. We should not push our friends. We should not make noise and distract our driver uncle. We should not take our hands and heads out of the window. We should patiently wait for our turn. Going to school by a school bus is so much fun. Now I will sing my favorite line on the bus. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, all through the town. Thank you.
It has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. It has 5 dwarf planets: Ceres, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris. There is an asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. It has natural satellites like Moon. Kuiper belt over here is said to be the outer edge of our solar system. Thank you everyone. Dhanyabad. Good morning, respected teachers, judges and my dear friends. My name is Abda Manju. I am from class 12. My topic for today's show and tell activity is the solar system. Earth space has billions of galaxies. This galaxy is called the Milky Way. It is a broad spiral galaxy. A solar system is at the suburb of this galaxy. galaxy solar system takes 240 million years to complete one orbit around the Milky Way galaxy. Solar system has one star called Sun. It has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. It has 5 dwarf planets: Ceres, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris. There is an asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. It has natural satellites like Moon, Kuiper belt over here.
My name is Tanit Jala. Today I'm going to tell you something interesting about giant panda. Giant panda is found in South Central China. Giant panda lives in cool and forest. It has black patches, eyes, ears, and a transparent body. Giant panda eats bamboo. Giant panda are good at climbing trees. Giant panda is also known as panda bear. Giant panda is different from red panda. Approximately 1800 panda are left in the world. This giant panda is my favorite toy. I play with Teddy. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning everyone. My name is Vyangan. Today I am going to tell you about our solar system. Solar system is made up of sun and all the small objects that move around it. Apart from the sun, the largest member of solar systems are Mercury is the first planet from the sun, and it is also called morning star. Venus is the second planet from the sun, and it is Earth's neighbor planet. Earth is the third planet from the sun, and it is our home planet which supports life and liquid water. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun, and it is red in color. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun, and it is the largest planet in the solar system. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun, and it has rings. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun, and it is first planet to be discovered. Neptune is the eighth planet from the sun, and there are 5 more dwarf planets which are number 1 Ceres, number 2 Makemake, number 3 Haumea, number 4 Eris, number 5 Pluto. These are few facts about our solar system. Hope you like it. Thank you.
Good morning. Namaste to everyone. Myself Bharti as one of the parents. Today school gave me an opportunity to be as a judge for the show and tell competition. I'm really thankful to the school faculty members for organizing such a momentous competitions during this global pandemic with the motive that learning should not stop. Really, I had a great experience. All the children were amazing, so talented. They spoke so fluently and confidently. Really, it gives me an immense satisfaction. I must appreciate the teachers and parents for their hard work. And they're trying to bring out the best from their children. That really was amazing. For all the children, I want to say a message that success and failure are the outcomes of the journey. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is the part of success. So keep on trying until you reach the goal. Here is the Josh. Here is the Josh. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Manager and I am in Prep 9. I am telling about save water. We know water is very crucial in our life. We cannot live without water. We should not waste water. So we use bucket of water for bathing, not shower. We should do rain harvesting. We should turn off a tap while brushing and washing our hands. We should use our bowl for washing vegetables and fruit. No running water. So we plan to conserve water every day. Use it wisely, not waste it away. Let our part to save every day. It is our planet and only we can save it. Save water, save earth. Thank you.
My name is Deepti and I got an invitation today to judge the show and tell activity of the prep student. And it was my honor to be a part of this event. While I was judging the activity, I was amazed by the young minds. The way they presented their topic with so much of confidence, it was so surprising. The event was very well organized. The teachers are doing an amazing job. Of course, with the help of the parents, because in this COVID situation, it would really have been difficult without their help. Overall, it was an amazing experience and I would just like to thank the school and the teachers for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this event. And good luck to all the students. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Anurula. It is my Halloween child decoration. It is full of vitamin C protein. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I'm Priyanka Sharma. Today judged salad decorating competition. It was a very nice show. All the participants performed really well. The criteria of the judgment was based on presentation, creativity and nutritious value. I'm overwhelmed after seeing the children's performance. I would like to congratulate all the parents and children. Thank you, ma'am, for providing this opportunity to judge the talent show. Thank you.
Dear all, I would like to thank you for making me the part of kids competition. I really enjoyed the same. Kids were putting their hard efforts amazingly, and it was a joyful experience for being a judge of these little kids. Best of luck to all the kids from my side. God bless you all. Keep rocking and keep shining. Thank you so much.
Good morning, ma'am, and my dear friends. My name is Anushka Thakur. I'm from class prep 11. Today we have all gathered for talent hunt show. And I would like to show and tell about my favorite doll, Elsa. She is so beautiful. She has cute smile. She has 2 blue eyes. She is wearing a crown and she has long hair. And my Didi gifted this beautiful doll on my birthday. And I also have Elsa pin, Elsa wallet, Elsa clip doll, and Elsa mask too. I also have Elsa bracelet too. And I also have long hair just like my doll Elsa. And I love being Elsa and I love singing Let It Go song just like her. And my favorite cartoon movie